In this video, we'll give you an overview of sponsorships on YouTube and how to set it up on your channel. It's a great way for you to earn money directly from your viewers. Channels with sponsorships will have a sponsor button next to the subscribe button. When this is clicked or tapped, a window will pop up. This is the offer screen. It shows the benefits a viewer may get from sponsoring that channel and the price they'll pay. Channels with sponsorships can also offer their sponsors perks that they decide themselves and deliver. These perks can include access to exclusive videos, the chance to take part in sponsors-only live chat on a live stream, text or photo updates from the channel, or almost anything else that the channel wishes to offer their sponsors that complies with community guidelines. The easiest way for channels with sponsorships to deliver these perks is through the Community tab. When these channels post here, they have the option of making it visible to everyone or only to their sponsors. There are 6 steps to this and lots to decide, so this process might take you some time. We'll give you plenty of guidance along the way, and don't worry, you can save your progress at any time and come back later. First, you'll add your perks, then your badges, and emoji. Your perks will be reviewed for compliance with our community guidelines and terms of service. This usually takes up to 24 hours. Once your perks are approved, you're almost ready to launch, but don't rush. For a really effective launch, we recommend you prepare an announcement video to tell your viewers all about your unique sponsorships offer. Remember to hold off on making the video public until the sponsor button is live. It's also a good idea to add a few sponsors-only posts to the Community tab. This is likely to be the place your first sponsors will go to find their exclusive content. You'll want to make sure you've got a message ready for them to tell them how much you appreciate their sponsorship. Once you're ready, launch the button, publish your announcement video, and pat yourself on the back for launching a brand new business on YouTube. Of course, the launch is just the beginning. Once you start attracting sponsors, you'll need to deliver your perks to keep them even more engaged. This way, they're more likely to keep sponsoring you month after month. Remember that they can cancel at any time. You'll also want to grow your sponsor community, so we recommend you find ways to keep promoting your channel's sponsorship.